Alright, tubesters. In 2 bits. We're draining all the fluid back out. Most of it. So we're trying to get Martha together. I bought this AC bracket from ICT Billy. Looks nice. Just don't fit our criteria. Look like it'll work, but just don't fit our criteria. So we're gonna pull all of this stuff here off. We got that Lincoln filter 255 to turn that boost up. So we draining all this stuff out, man. We finna replace this whole front pulley system. I called my guys over at CVF, told them what I had, told them what I needed, and what I was trying to do. So they sent me this kit. They sent me this kit for the LSA supercharger. It come with new water pump, all of the pulleys, AC compressor, alternator, power steering, all of the tensioners, pulleys, bolts, hardware, and the brackets to mount it all. Even the belt. Sent us a guide. So they pretty much make a lot of stuff for a lot of applications. Even billet hinges. Oldsmobile, Chrysler, Fords, Chevy. Small block. So they make some nice stuff. All billet aluminum. You can see the finish and the thickness on these plates here. So we set an account up with them at SEMA a couple years back, and we've been using them ever since, man. They use a nice mid mount, keep everything centered, and it's been proven. So I'm draining all of the fluid out of Martha. Finna take all of this factory drivetrain stuff off, as it just ain't hitting. We needed a little more flash for this one. So I'm gonna take it off. Start disassembling all of the alternator, power steering, water pump. And the AC was actually a low mount, but wouldn't work with this frame. So instead of buying adapters to keep everything lined up with this, you had to buy an adapter to push this out, the power steering, an adapter for the alternator. You had to switch the water pump to like a LS1 style water pump with the big bell housing here. Man, I wasn't going through all that mess. I wasn't going through all of that, so I called them up, told them what I had, and we finna get it going from there. So while this thing's still draining this weasel, I think I'm gonna go ahead and replace that thermostat to a 160 while we're out of here. So I'm gonna finish unbolting everything. If anybody need an ICT billet, it's brand spanking new, man. It ain't never had a belt mounted on it. I paid $350 for it. Give me that, it's yours. So after we get this mount on, I'll finish running my AC lines. Go from there. So we got the intercooler up front. So that's Martha. I'm gonna keep y'all updated, man. Show y'all the finished progress, what she look like in a minute. I'll be back in a minute once we strip it down.